What's up, tech fans? We talk a lot about tech, right? Tech of tomorrow, tech channel, tech, right? But one thing that we really don't see a lot of is art in tech, right? I mean, sometimes tech can be artistic, but what about tech that is actually geared for being art? Today, I'm going to unbox and check out a product from a company called Grid, and this is definitely tech art. So let's talk tech art. Did you just build yourself a brand new PC? Or did you just upgrade your old PC but find you're in need of a Windows 10 key? If that's the case, your CD key has you covered. And buying, it's never been easier. All you do is go to your CD key website, find the Windows software that you want to buy, put it into your cart, enter the code TOT20, apply the code, save yourself some extra money, and as soon as you complete your purchase, the Windows 10 key will be in your inbox. There's no problems, it's really easy, and all keys are guaranteed to work, so you don't have to worry about losing your money, and you'll have a valid Windows 10 key to get your unit up and running. All right, so check it out. We've got the box right here, the big old giant box. And like I said, this is from a company called Grid. So I'm gonna open this thing up here. There are a couple, ow, ow, oh man, look, I'm not even, guys, can you see this? I'm bleeding. Oh my God, in multiple places. Look, I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm just gonna pop my face. There's 2 blood spots on me. Ow! I went to go reach in and grab this part, and there's these little clips right here, and they've got points all in them. Look at this. There are points all over this, and they just poked into my finger. Well, I wish I had a test meter. I could test my blood right now and see where my blood sugar's at. I mean, why waste a poke, right? All right. But anyways, okay. These are obviously to hang whatever's in the box. It's right here. And there's also what looks like a pick. I don't think it's a pick, but it looks kind of like a pick. It's probably a tool for working with these things as well. And then we have the product inside here. I'm just gonna take it out of here and get it up here so you guys can see this. So check this out. Here is the box. Looks pretty nifty, right? It's a plain old box by Grid. Grid Frame Art Studio. The Grid Frame Art Studio. Okay. This box looks cool though, right? All right, so here we go. Should we do it like a Christmas present, crazy, or just go crazy? And actually, I'm hurting, man. This poker, that shite hurt, man. I'm not even joking at all. So let's just go ahead and take the strap off. I'm unstrapping this thing. I've unstrapped it now. It's no longer strapped. Go ahead and just peel this stuff off. Yada, peel it all off like a Christmas Day present. Peel it all off like a Christmas Day present. Yada, yada. Ooh. This is frickin', oh man, this is badass. Check this out. Now I know some of you guys are gonna mock, but look at, this is a total iPhone 4 breakdown. That's totally cool. I mean, check it out. It's literally got every piece of the iPhone 4 broke out throughout the entire thing. That is just so cool looking. I think that's nifty. It's just so cool, look. And all right, I'm gonna look at this myself now, guys, as I there's my poor damn thumb. This is so cool. I mean, it's totally got everything in it, completely broke down. This is every part that's in it. Oh, wow. None of you guys knows it's even signed by Mr. Jobs himself down here at the bottom. Let's see if you guys can see that over there. Signed by Steve Jobs himself. Wonder how Mr. Jobs did that. I'm not trying to make a dead joke or anything, but did he rise from the grave and sign this? I don't know. Cool stuff though, right? I mean, how often do you usually see stuff like this? This is total art. And I am not like the big, Mac iPhone freak, but my homie Jonathan Morrison is. That guy's all into this stuff, man. So I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna be giving this away to him as a gift. Maybe he'll even say something about it, who knows, but you know, I'm gonna give it to him. And since he never really watches my humble videos anyways, he won't even know. So you, Mr. Editor, Travis, yes, I'm talking to you, no letting the, I was gonna say the cat out of the bag, but no letting the iPhone picture out of the frame? I don't know. Anyways, I think it's pretty cool. I want to know what you guys think though. And don't go just saying, oh, you hate it, it's an Apple product, yada, 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 because this is cool. If it was a video card or anything like that, which, hey, maybe these people could actually do that with their company. They could make something like that. If you'd like to see something like that, leave a comment down below so the people that sent me this, the grid, can see it, and maybe that'll inspire them, because I wouldn't mind at all seeing any of the latest NVIDIA or AMD cards completely just broken down into pieces just like this, you know, so we could check it out as art. I mean, I would buy that. I would buy that. Who's got two thumbs and is pointing at this guy who'd buy it? Me. I would buy that. Would you guys buy it? Now, I'm sure that they probably do have stuff like this for sale. I'll find out and I'll put a link down below. So if any of you guys out there are just like a total tech fan, you're tech savvy, you're like, man, I'd like to have that on my wall because it's cool stuff, then, you know, leave a comment down below, man. I mean, that's what we're doing. I mean, let me know what you guys think. I like it. I think it's cool. I would really like to put it on my wall, but I like it. I think it's cool. But honestly, Jonathan from TLD, if you guys have never checked out his channel, it's Tech Fast Lunch and Dinner. He's a total Mac guy, but he makes like the ultimate crispy videos. Like he was part of that Team Crispy when there was a Team Crispy. I guess, you know, anything if it sits around long enough becomes uncrispy. Oh, I'm just joking. Woo! Erase that. No, just kidding. Just having fun. But hey, that's today's video, guys. It's not a long video, but what do you guys think? I mean, this is tech, and it's art tech, and it's something that you usually just don't see. It's not like these things are just all over the mall where you can walk up and go, oh, hey, cool, I like one of those. At least not right now. So I will talk to them. If you would like to see other products that you think are totally cool, please leave links down below so the company can see them, because that would help inspire them to go, hey, okay, maybe we'll make that product that yesterday we weren't even thinking about making, but hey, today, what the frack? So I'll have links down below to these guys so you can check these guys out. And I thank you for watching the video. I know it's a pretty short one. We got a new month coming up. Hopefully there'll be some new tech stuff coming out though. But if you like my style and the energy, hey, make sure you hit that sub button and turn on the notifications bell. Bing! Otherwise, you'll never know I am making videos here on Tech of Tomorrow. And if you want to support the channel and don't spend any money, try Amazon Prime for free. I have a link down below in the description. If you try that out and use that link, it'll help keep Tech of Tomorrow around, and you can check out all of their free stuff. And for a single dollar, as I continue the pitch, you can support us on Patreon. So peace out. I guess I got to do me some packing, huh? Yo!